What is up? Yo, what's up, guys? You know the drill. Just setting myself up, sending my link to my other social media platforms here, and about to start the stream, guys. About to go live on TikTok. Okay, we're gonna go live on TikTok, and we're gonna go live on a number of things. Okay. So let me just set my life up, guys. Let me set my life up. Hold on, give me a second. You know what it is. This is the drill, guys. This is literally the drill. This is how we do things. Okay, this is how we do things, guys. So we're just gonna get started in just a little bit. Quick sound test. Is everything good? Can everybody hear me? What's good? What's good? Okay, just going live right now on TikTok. Let me just see who's online. What's up, guys? What's happening? Mabs again. Welcome to stream. What's up, TikTok? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, guys. What's up? Quick sound test. How's the sound? How's the sound, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome, everybody. How you guys doing? Okay, sound is good on YouTube. I assume that sound is also good here on TikTok because I'm getting like some nice hearts right here. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream, everyone. We're just gonna hang tight for about a few minutes just to allow people to come on here. What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? Sound is good on TikTok. So we're basically all set, guys. We're almost ready to get started. This just gives some people time to jump in. What's up, guys? What's happening with you guys? And while we wait for the other guys, all right. Just an update, guys. For those of you who were with me in the early morning session at um, the Asian session, all right. I actually went live 1 a.m. this morning, which was the market open for the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Okay, so then we were analyzing the Japanese. Okay, so the Japan 225, which is actually nicknamed like Nikkei 225, Nikkei 225. So we basically analyzed that, and the system gave us a buy trade. Okay, so on the stream we took a buy signal, with the parameters, take profit, stop loss. I actually recorded my trade as it was running, guys. And a funny thing happened, okay? Because it's been like years since I traded the 225. So basically, I opened a couple of trades, went to sleep, and I woke up like at 7. Okay, like the account had like $1,000 US. I found $1,000 US in the account, and then when I woke up, the trade was like in profit like 2,100 USD. Like, so in that space of how many hours? 6 hours. I basically doubled my account. Or tripled it. Yeah, if that makes sense. I tripled my account balance uh, with that one move. So the Nikkei 225, guys, it's actually very volatile. Okay, it's very very volatile, guys. And I actually noticed it. And when I was still checking it out, I saw that it respects my 30-minute strategy. Okay, so that's generally the one that we're going to use when we're trading in the AMs. Okay, so we're going to do another training session at that time. All right, so if you guys are still going to be awake at 1 a.m., we're not going to spend a long time on it. We're just going to look at the 225. Okay, and if there's a trade, we take it. If we have to wait for it, I'm probably just going to go to sleep because I don't think I can wait like 2 3 hours for the entry. Okay, but anyways, it was a good trade, guys. It was literally a good trade. And then when I saw the profits in the morning, I didn't waste time. Okay, I immediately shifted my stop loss in profit. Closed off some positions and then basically trailed it. Okay. um I think I still have like 3 trades running, but with smaller lots now because I did close off some of the positions. But I will post a video of maybe like when I get time tonight or maybe tomorrow. You might see it on my next TikTok post. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Veracity Markets does not have Nikki 225, guys. So then go to my Telegram channel. Okay, there's a link to register with the broker there. To register with Hugo's Way. Okay, Hugo's Way has Nikki 225. Okay, they've got a number of things. They even have China 50, and there's this other one with a funny name. I don't want to say it wrong, but I'll attempt. It's called the Hang Seng. Okay, I'm joking, kidding. It's called the Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng. It's HK50. All right, that's the label on the broker. It's HK50. All right, that's the one as well. Yeah, guys, I'm just trying to make jokes, man. You know. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing live trading. We're gonna be doing live trading at 1 a.m. Okay, so I'm gonna be live again at 1 a.m. Some of you probably gonna be sleeping, all right, but some of us we're gonna do what we need to do. Okay, and what is the minimum deposit on Hugo's Way? Hugo's Way doesn't have a minimum deposit. Whatever you want to throw in there, you can throw in there. Whether it's, I think you can even deposit. Wait, no, wait. I'm lying. I think it's $50 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's $50. No, it's $50 to activate your account, and then after that you can basically deposit whatever amount. I think that's what it is. That's what it is. All right, I think that's what it is. Some people with some funny chats on YouTube. But I'm seeing you guys. I'm seeing you guys. Okay, we got about 82 people on stream, guys. Please like tap that screen so that we can get more people on here, so that we can have a Forex party, guys. You know what it is. You know what it is. So I'm gonna keep doing like the lives in the morning, so that my newer clients can like basically get the hang of things and see how exactly you approach this thing. So basically, what I'll do at 1 a.m. is basically what you have to do to NAS 100 and US 30 at the New York Open. All right. So that's what it is, guys. That's what it is. That's what it is. Welcome to everybody who just joined. We haven't started yet. We're just having a lobby real quick. We're gonna get started in about a minute. Guys. So no worries, because I know some people they'll like to panic. Don't panic. Just take it easy. Like drink some water. You understand what I'm saying? So, anyways, what have you guys been trading today? I've had such a hectic week. Um, didn't really trade much because of I was just busy with other things. Okay, here's somebody. Hello, do you have physical classes and where are you based? I'm based in Nelspruit, Mpumalanga, aka known as the Mbombela. I stay in Mbombela, okay, the money province, and I don't have physical classes, guys. I do online because um you know like my clientele is global, guys. Like I got people from Canada, US, UK. I got people from other countries, as local countries as well, like Namibia, Nigeria. You see, so then technology just makes it dope. Technology just makes it dope. you know Technology just brings us together, guys. Yeah. Like right now, I'm in your living room, I'm in your bedroom right now, you watching me, you listening to me. That's the power of technology, guys. It's really the power of technology. And there's COVID, guys, trying to keep that social distance, you know what I mean? That's what it is. That's what it is. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We're gonna get started in about 30 seconds. We're gonna get started in 30 seconds. What's your analysis on NAS 100? Earlier, I assumed that there was going to be about like 2 hours ago or an hour ago, I was actually anticipating a buy. These indicators don't work on Android, guys. You have to have a laptop. So is everybody here, guys? I think I can get started. We've got about plus minus 100 people on the stream, so I think we can get started. Okay. So YouTube chat, I'm watching you, and TikTok chat, I'm watching you guys. Okay. Okay, before we proceed, guys, if you're not in the Telegram group, please join up there. I'm going to be posting up a lot of stuff on Telegram. Okay, we've got a free Telegram group. just click the link in my profile bio. Go to my profile bio and join the Telegram group. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of updates. We're gonna have a good time on Telegram. Okay, and then for those who don't know, if you scroll up, like if you get into the Telegram channel, okay, just scroll up and download the PDF books. All right, download the PDF books, and then you're gonna be all right. Okay, join the Telegram. All right, let me do so. Before you start, explain what you're doing. No worry, I'm gonna explain that in just a bit. No worry, take the chill pill, y'all. Just get in the Telegram group real quick. I'm gonna give you guys like 20 seconds or 30. I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds to get in the Telegram group. I don't wanna leave a soldier behind. Okay, so who just joined the Telegram group? Are you guys in the Telegram group yet? As soon as we get to 500 members, guys, I'm gonna open up a group chat. Okay, I'm gonna open up a group chat. That's gonna be like a sort of milestone for us when we've got like 500 subscribers in the group. I think we've got like 200 and something in the group. Last I checked, I was like 200. And as soon as we get to 300, we're gonna not 300, my bad. And as soon as we get to 500, we're gonna create like a chat room where we make our own little trading community. All right. The link is in the profile bio. Click this button up here. Click this dude on the top left. Okay, and then go to my profile. There's a link there. Click that link. Follow it. Go to my Telegram channel, baby. Let's go. I'm waiting for you guys. You're holding some people back here. Okay. I know there's some people like 9 is pretty late for them. They like literally watching me with one eye. With one eye open. Okay. Get in the Telegram group, guys. 30 more seconds. Get in the Telegram group. Let's get to 500. We open up our group chat. But please, guys, when you open up the group chat, don't harass anybody, okay? Like, yeah, please don't do that, okay? And please don't market stuff on the group, please, all right? I'm talking about when we actually open up the chat room. God, just don't do those things, okay? If you want to market something, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to put something there that's going to kick you out, all right? Oh, we're actually on 331. Okay. It's been a while since I actually looked at that. All right. Okay, guys. Let's get it. We're gonna get started shortly, guys. No, don't worry. We're gonna get started shortly. I'm probably gonna have to like download this this video and repost it again on YouTube and just cut some of the parts where I'm busy talking, and then the video will just start when we get into the lessons. All right. Get in the group, guys. Get in the Telegram group quickly. All right. I think we can get started. We've got about 4K likes. We got about 4K likes, baby. Thank you so much. Much love, guys. Look at that. You guys are literally breaking your phones right now. Okay, we got 4.8 likes on TikTok. Pretty amazing, guys. I'm busy stalling here because I want you to get in the Telegram group. Okay, let's get to 500. Let's make our trading community, and let's do this thing. All right. Let's do this thing, guys. Okay, while we wait for the people to get on Telegram, just comment like where you from, guys. Just tell me where you guys are watching me from. Just comment like maybe the country or the city. Sharing is caring, man. Definitely. Centurioni. Alright. PTA, let's go. PTA in the house. How do I join? Click the link. Click my profile. Get in my Telegram right there. Click the link in my profile and then just get in the Telegram group. All right, or just send me a DM. All right, I'll set you straight. Okay. We're from Polokwane. We've got Val in the house. Springs, South Africa. PTA. Gauteng, Bloemfontein, Witbank, Pretoria. A lot of Pretoria people tonight. The other day we had a lot of KZN people on here. Okay, Deep Sloot. Yeah. We got Kerksdorp. Emalahleni. Okay, Fossilurus. All right. Okay, we got BTN. Where's BTN? Okay, Brakpan, Cape Town. What's that? What's that? Lipalale. Okay, I don't know where that is. Okay, Aiton Hage. Okay, yo guys, don't laugh at me if I say some of these names wrong. Come on, guys, you have to understand. I speak Swati, guys. I speak a little bit of English. Okay. So yeah, guys, my computer is about to switch off. Let me just plug it in real quick. Let me plug it in for you guys so that we don't have problems. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Just wanna fix my life real quick. All right, I don't wanna have like a situation while we like getting into the whole trading thing, and we don't have power. Just need to plug in my computer. Okay, it's plugged in. Okay, why isn't it saying anything? Okay, yeah, it's plugged in, guys. We're good. Hey, we're from Gomorrah. Okay, okay, okay. Katleong, Gomorrah, Val Triangle. Guys, are you in the Telegram group yet? We've got like 150 people on the stream right now. It's Utin Egg. Okay, alright, okay, okay, guys. Okay. Like, don't get mad at me if I say your hometown wrong, guys. Come on. Cut me some slack, guys. Okay? Like some names I just skip, dude, because I'm like, okay, I don't want to embarrass myself real quick. Alright, 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 alright. When are we starting? Is it late? No, you're not late. We haven't even done anything yet. Okay, guys, I'm getting started now, okay? Get in the Telegram group. Click the link in the profile bio of my TikTok page, alright? This dude on the top left, go to that dude. Alright, go to that dude real quick, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue, guys, okay? I'm gonna continue now. Guys, please answer these people who are busy asking me how to get on the Telegram. I know you guys have my back, okay? But help these guys out. So I'm just gonna concentrate on this thing right now, okay? Apologies, guys, for the late delays. Just trying to liaise with the people, just to assist them to also get into the Telegram channel. We're trying to build this trading community of ours, okay? And okay, guys, let's start over here, right? So basically on this page, guys, we talk about forex trading and index trading, okay? So this week I've been re-recording the training classes for the different systems that I use to trade the markets. All right, so Monday we did. Let's just go down a bit. Monday we did the 15-minute strategy. Yesterday we did the 30-minute system. Okay, today we're gonna talk about the Onyx the Onyx indicator. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to use that to find opportunities in the markets. Okay, and then tomorrow we're gonna do the H1 H4 system. Okay, thanks everybody who joined into the. Somebody says I'm breaking. Guys, am I breaking? Like somebody says that my sound is breaking. I think we got a problem, guys. Hold on. Somebody says my sound is not 100. Okay, no, okay, no, it's fine. So, anyways, guys, today I'm going to show you the Onyx method, right? So this method is basically we utilize trend lines, okay? We utilize support and resistance, but support and resistance based off of the daily high points and the daily low points, okay? So we're gonna plot our support and resistance based off of the highest price that was reached and the lowest price that was reached on a particular trading day. Okay, and then our entries are gonna be like sort of breakout entries. Okay, so when the market breaks out of the trend lines, that's actually how we're actually gonna enter into the trades. Okay, that's how we're gonna decide whether we're gonna buy or whether we're gonna sell. Okay, very easy, guys. Don't panic. We got you. So let's just have a look at what I'm talking about. Right, this is the indicator right here. This is the Onyx Scalper indicator. All right, so basically I'm just going to give you guys a brief on this indicator, how it works, okay? And then I'll show you how to apply it. There's a couple of things here, right? Focus now. There's this yellow band here, okay? And then there's this blue band right there, okay? So the yellow band simply means that, when the blue turns to yellow, that's actually the point where you're supposed to sell, okay? And then when the yellow turns to blue, that's actually the point where you're supposed to buy. Just realize that YouTube can't see what I'm saying, okay? YouTube is with me, guys. YouTube, are you with me? YouTube is with me, okay. All right, guys. So basically what I was saying is, this is the Onyx Scalper indicator, all right? You've got the yellow band and then you've got the blue band, right? So when the yellow band begins, that's when you're supposed to sell, and then when the blue band begins, that's where you're supposed to buy, right? Generally, okay. And then if you look closely here onto the chart, you can see that there's these little boxes. All right, there's this little boxes. Let me just use this. There's these boxes over here. All right. So basically, these boxes, guys, they represent one trading day. Okay, and the top of the box is the highest price that that market reached on that particular day. Okay, and then the bottom of the box is actually the lowest point that the price reached on that particular day. Okay, so this is what we're going to use to actually plot the support and resistance based off of the daily highs and the daily lows. Okay, you with me so far, guys? Let me know if you guys are getting lost, but as we go along, you're going to understand it better. Okay, so this particular indicator works on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and the 15-minute chart, right? So when we actually start um, analyzing the markets here, right? Let me just put in another chart here. Maybe let's put in NAS 100 so that if there's something, we can actually take that. Okay, I just change the chart. This is NAS 100, guys. All right. So when we start to look for opportunities using this system, guys, okay, we don't start on the 15-minute and the 5 minute and the 1 hour. No, we actually start on the H1 chart. Okay, that's what you do. You start on the H1 chart. Okay, and then the Onyx will disappear, and then what you'll be left with are these boxes here, right? Remember what I said. These boxes represent, each box right here, it represents one trading day. Okay, and the bottom of the box represents the lowest price that was reached on that particular trading day. The top of the box represents the highest price that was reached on that particular trading day. So we're going to use the tops and the bottoms of these boxes to basically draw our support and resistance. Okay, and these are going to be very powerful areas of support and resistance because they are based off of the higher time frames. Okay, these ones are respected by the market, right? So let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, we're going to start with the current trading day, right? And I'm going to go through a few charts, guys, so that you guys see what I'm doing practically. You start with the current day, you put your low, all right, you put your high for that particular day, right? This gives you market structure, guys. You see exactly where the market is going to go when it escapes a certain level. Okay, I'm just going to do that, and you don't have to go too crazy with the support and resistance, right? You don't have to go too crazy with that because like you don't have to plot like every single, even like down here at the bottom, man. You just plot it where it's relevant. Okay, because you plot it like near to where the price currently is. You don't really have to do crazy things like that, right? So anyways, um now we've got our support and resistance. Okay, so already before we get into a deeper analysis, this is generally how the market moves. Okay, the market usually moves from level to level. Okay, so let's say now this market drops and it breaks that support right there, that horizontal line there. Okay, the next target the market is going to go to the next support. Okay, so it goes level to level, level to level. So if it breaks this top point here, the next point is going to be the next resistance. If it breaks that point, it's going to go to the next resistance. So that's how the market moves, guys. It moves level to level. Okay, so if it breaks one level, it's going to the next level. That's just typically how the nature of the market. Okay, it's the nature of the market. That's just how it is, right? I don't make the rules. It's just like that. Okay. Now, once we've got our support and resistance, okay. Windows, what are you doing? What is my computer doing? I hate it when it does this. Don't you guys hate Windows 10 when it does this? Okay. Anyways, pardon me for the interruption. Okay. Once we've got our support and resistance, okay, our daily support and resistance, we now start doing trend lines. Okay, if they're visible on the H1 chart, go ahead and do that. Okay, trend lines also have a similar function to support and resistance. It's just that these levels are at an incline. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing, right? And then you're going to do that. And if you don't understand trend lines, there's a PDF book in my Telegram channel. Okay, in the free Telegram channel, so you can just go ahead and download that ebook. Okay, it talks about how to trade with trend lines and how to basically find opportunities using trend lines. And understand them better, right? It's in my Telegram group. So once you've got your trend lines and your support and resistance done, that's when now you go to the 15-minute chart if you want to enter on the 15-minute. All right, I like to enter on the 15-minute. I like to go from the H1 to the 15-minute for entry. Okay. Now, once you're on the 15-minute chart, this is where it gets interesting. Okay. This is where it gets interesting now. Okay, so you're only going to trade when there is a breakout, right? When there's a breakout. What I mean by breakout, there needs to be a breakout of either a trend line or a support and resistance level. Okay, so if there's a breakout or in any situation, right? Let's say you break out of a support and you're selling, you enter sell, and then your target is going to be the next support. Okay, that's how you're going to work it. Okay. Are you guys with me so far? Hey, I know, I feel like I'm speaking Chinese, I'm speaking Chinese. I hope I'm not speaking Chinese to you guys. Okay, but don't worry, let's keep going. Let's keep going. You'll get it. You'll get it. You'll get it. Alright? I trust you guys. You guys are smart. Look at this guy. Press the wrong button. Okay. Now, okay, everybody's with me. Everybody's with me. Okay, that's good. Thanks for the feedback. Let me check YouTube if they're with me. What, guys? My Okay, there's a mistake that happened, guys. TikTok, I mean, YouTube can't see my YouTube can't see my screen. YouTube guys, can you see my chart? Can you guys see my chart? Guys on YouTube, can you see my chart, guys? I think there's something wrong with my streaming software. It's not showing the chart. It's showing the YouTube. Give me a heads up quickly. Can you guys see? Oh, you guys can see. Are you guys able to see like the trading charts when I've been explaining everything? Okay, so you guys have been with me, right? Because on my side it's just showing the same screen, guys. Okay, but hopefully it's all good. Okay, because I'm using OBS. All right, the video on YouTube is good. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the feedback. Thanks for the feedback. So I hope so far we're together, guys. Don't worry, we'll do this on a couple of charts. You'll understand what I'm saying. Okay. So we've got, guys, our trend lines. We've got our support and resistance. Now we wait for breakout. Okay. This is what you do, guys, and preferably you do this exercise just before the market opens so that you can actually anticipate where the breakouts are going to be. All right. So, guys, this is how it's going to happen. Okay. So let's just say now the market. Okay, this trend line, I'm forcing it. I'm deleting this one. I'm forcing this one. Okay. I have to admit, guys, when you're wrong. Okay, you have to admit when you're wrong. All right. So let's talk about a sell scenario. Okay. Remember, guys, the market can either go up or down. At any given point. Okay. We just have to be able to recognize the opportunities, right? So let's talk about a sell scenario now. Like where the market currently is, when will you actually sell? Okay. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're first going to look at the indicator, right? If it's telling you to sell, you don't sell immediately. Pay attention to me, guys. You don't sell immediately. Okay. It just alerts you that you need to get ready for sell. Hear me clearly, guys. Okay. You don't sell immediately, like just after you do the analysis. Okay. You wait for the breakout. You don't sell immediately. You wait for the breakout. Okay. So right now the band is yellow. Okay. So we're actually going to trade when now the market breaks this trend line. Okay. That's going to be a confirmation number 2. Okay. And then when it breaks that trend line and it comes down to the support and it breaks that support, that's confirmation number 3. Okay. So once you get a break of the trend line and the support, that's when you're going to sell. Okay, so you're going to sell, and where's your take profit? Where's your target? Okay, if you sell, your target is always going to be toward the next support. Okay, and then if the market even goes lower than that, your target is going to be toward the next support, like that, like so on and so forth. That's just how the market moves. Okay, so if we get a breakout there, we're going to sell, and then we target here. If it continues to sell, we continue to go down with it and basically manage the trade. and then our target will be toward the next support. Okay, you guys get it, you guys get it. Okay, but then now if the opposite happens, all right, you see this situation right here. Let me just draw. Okay, I can draw a trend line like this. All right, I can draw a trend line like that. Okay, I'm not cheating the trend line, guys, so don't tell me I'm cheating the trend line. Okay, so for you to buy, guys, okay, the first thing that needs to happen here in this particular situation, all right, the band first needs to turn blue to tell you that you need to get ready for buy. So as soon as it turns blue, right, you don't buy immediately, you buy at the breakout. Okay, and then let's say the market now goes up and it breaks this trend line up here, which has also got a resistance. That's where we're gonna buy, and then our TP is gonna be toward the next resistance. So then if we break this 15276, our next target is gonna be 15504. Okay, because that's our next resistance. And then if it goes beyond that, we'll target the next resistance that we have done in our analysis. Okay, so that's generally how we're gonna do it, right? Easy, it's easy, isn't it? Okay, now this works usually when there's a lot of volatility in the market. Okay, so then if maybe you're looking to trade like things like the market open, or maybe like news events where there's a lot of volatility, okay, that's like a very good time or very good opportunity to actually look for breakout trades. All right, hope you guys are with me. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Okay, I'm just going to open up a random old chart and basically do the whole process again. Okay, let's have a look at gold. Okay, let's have a look at gold. Let me see if I can't just drop this over here. All right, let's start with gold. Okay, so basically the first step that you do, guys, you first go to the H1 chart. Okay, you do this every single time, right? And then once you're on the H1 chart, you do the support and resistance of the daily highs and daily lows, right? And it's a very quick process, guys. I actually like this trading method above all of them, okay, because like you literally do this in a few seconds. All right, this thing was busy refreshing. That's where it is. Let me just do it quickly. You start with the daily highs and daily lows of the current day, then you go to the next days. All right, something like that. Okay, something like this. Okay, once you've got your support and resistance on, you then draw your trend lines if they're visible. All right, you draw your trend lines if they're visible, just like that. Okay, something like this, guys, something like this. Okay, so now already, before you even jump into the markets, you can actually see, guys, you have structure now. You have an idea of what the market will do. You can see before you even dissect this thing, if the market breaks this resistance here on this trend line and it comes up above here, your next target is going to be toward the next resistance. If it breaks there, your next target is already going to be up there. Okay, and then if it does the opposite and it breaks that trend line at the bottom and the support, your next target is going to be the next support. And then if it breaks that one, you go even to the lower levels. That's basically how you just run this thing. Okay, then you jump to the 15-minute. All right, on the 15-minute, now you can see that the indicator is telling you to get ready to buy. Okay, so you anticipate a buy, right? So as the market now develops and it starts moving around, you wait for the market to have a breakout, right? Now already confirmation 1 is the indicator telling you to buy, and then number 2 will be the breakout of this trend line here, and then number 3, confirmation 3, is when this resistance is broken, and then that's where you buy. You're going to buy the breakout, you're going to buy there, and then your target is going to be toward the next level, which is 1821. All right, and then so on and so forth. If it keeps going up, you buy to the next resistance. Okay, and then now if it drops, you know, you do what it do. You just sell, next support, next support. All right, easy like that. Let's do another example. Let's do another example. I'm going to do a couple of more charts. Okay, all right. More confirmation on TikTok that they can hear the screen. I mean, they can see the screen. Okay, let's have another look at maybe another chart. Which chart should I open up, guys? Maybe let's look at some Forex pair. Let's look at the GU. Okay, let's look at the GU. Let me just load the indicator there. Okay, let me load the indicator. All right, same thing, guys. You start on the H1 chart. right? The same process, guys. H1 chart, support and resistance. If it's possible to do trend lines, you do that. Okay, support and resistance quickly. You can go through a number of charts doing this very quickly. All right. I used to call this the market open strategy. I used to trade this a lot when the market opens, because of the volatility, quick money in and out, done, you know. So I'm just doing my support and resistance lines based off the daily highs and daily lows. And then afterwards, I'm looking to see if there aren't any trend lines right there. So I'm just going to do this one right here. And then I'm going to jump to the 15-minute chart. Okay. Jump into the 15-minute chart. Let's see. Okay, my trend line disappeared. Where is it? All right, there's witchcraft happening. 15-minute. Let's go. All right, my chart froze, guys. I think my computer froze. Witchcraft. Okay. Nah, there it is, guys. There it is. Okay. So basically, here in this type of situation right here, let me just zoom it down. You see, guys. So in this type of situation, right, if you get a breakout to the top right there, you buy. You do basically the same thing, guys. The same thing every single time. You buy, and then your target is the next resistance. If it breaks out again, you buy toward the next resistance. You just follow the market, okay? And then for a sell scenario, you have to like also do the trade. There has to be a breakout to the downside if you're gonna sell, okay? So if you're gonna sell, there needs to be a break, right? You can even trade the break of the trend line, okay? You can even trade the break of the trend line, and then if it breaks that support right there, all right, your target is the next support, just like that. So if you sell here at the breakout here, your target is going to be the next support. If it breaks there, you target the next support. Easy, 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 easy. Somebody's asking, do I wait for the retest? Look, this is why I say that you have to trade when there's momentum in the markets. Have you guys ever noticed at times when there's a breakout and there's no retest? Okay, there's not always going to be a retest, but if there's volume in the market and the market is pushing, okay, there's not going to be a retest at times. Okay, so especially when you trade the open, where when there's that crazy volatility at market open, if you know what I'm talking about, okay, then that's where you jump into these trades, right? Then once you get into the momentum, right, you get in with your whatever lot size you get in, and then as it goes down, you start trailing it with a stop loss, put your take profit. This is what I mean. So if you get a breakout right there, right, maybe at the market open, and then you target here, as the market goes down, you're gonna use your stop loss and trail the market. Okay, very easy. Let me do one more example, guys, so that make sure that you guys are with me. But I think so far you guys understand. You guys understand. YouTube, can you understand what I'm saying? All right. Has everybody understood what I've been saying? Okay, let's do one more example. Let's do one more example. Let's look at something maybe that we're gonna trade later, just to save us some time. Let's look at the Onyx. Okay, we're getting some positive feedback. Some people are saying that they're good. Okay, they're saying that they understand. That's good. That's good. All right, same process every single time, guys. First thing you do, support and resistance on the H1. Use your boxes to give you the daily highs and daily lows, all right, for your support and resistance. And there's some people that tell you support and resistance doesn't work. Dude, shut up. When I hear people say some shit like that, I'm like, oh my word, man. You don't know what you're talking about. Okay, but anyways, everybody has their own beliefs. We can't disappoint people. You know what I mean? Okay. All right. I think I did NAS, guys. Didn't I do NAS? Somebody's asking if we can do NAS. I think that's one of the charts we did. I just don't remember now, but I think we did do NAS, guys. Okay. And then after you've got your trend lines, I mean not your support resistance, you do your trend lines. Okay. If you don't understand trend lines, guys, I got you. Okay. In the Telegram group, there is a book, right, that will educate you and give you like some higher understanding of trend lines. Okay. I'll just repost it again for those of you who are, technologically challenged. And I mean that in a nice way. Okay, I'm not trying to be nasty. All right, I'm gonna do that for you. Okay. Once we've got our X, guys, you see that? You see we've got our X right there. Once we've got this, right? We already know. Already we know that we get a breakout, we sell. There's the TP. If it breaks out, that's already the TP, the next target, the next target, the next target. All right. If it breaks to the upside, you buy there. And guys, you know what? When you do it this way, man, and when the market starts moving, like then you start reacting to what the market is doing, whether it breaks to the upside, whether it breaks to the downside. You know, there's no thinking, not much more thinking involved. You just execute. Okay, you just have to follow your risk management plan, and you basically have to what do you call execute, right? You have to execute accordingly. Okay, and then manage your trade as it goes. So if you want to do successful trading, guys, it's the strategy that you're using. Okay, risk management, execution. Once you execute, you have to manage the trade. What do I mean by managing the trade? Having your stop loss take profit. Okay, as you go into profit, you shift the stop loss into profit. Okay, that lesson is also in my trading channel. Okay, so educate yourself, my dude. All right, somebody's asking, where do you put your stop loss? You always put your stop loss behind the previous low. Okay, that's one way to do it. Or you can use a 1:1 risk ratio. 1:1 risk ratio is like if you're trading to make 200, you risk 200. Okay, you can do it like that. It's up to you. Again, it also depends on what you're trading. If it wicks too much, okay, right. I feel like I'm talking too much. Anyways, we jump back to the 15-minute chart. Okay, after we've got our trend lines and everything like that, we jump back to our 15-minute chart. Okay, everybody's understanding what I'm saying. You guys are with me, guys. All right, you guys are with me. You guys are with me. That's good. That's good. You guys are with me. All right. Okay. I want you guys to notice something. Can't you notice there's a certain pattern to this thing? Like you can see the structure, okay? You basically corner the. We should actually call this the corner the market strategy, man. Like we're literally making the market our BITCH. You understand what I'm saying? We're killing this thing, right? So already, guys, it's a similar type of picture. So all you have to do is just wait for the breakout so that you can execute. Okay? It doesn't really matter, guys. Somebody asked me the other day, do you buy more, do you sell more? I said, look, I buy when the market is going up and I sell when the market is going down. I don't really care about, the sentiments. Okay, I move with the market. This is exactly what I mean. This strategy is actually talking to that. Okay, but anyways, this is what you anticipate now, right? Already the market is kind of telling you that, okay, we kind of be looking for sales. Okay, so then now if the market now drops and breaks this trend line here and this support, you sell toward the next support. If it breaks that level, you sell toward the next support. If it breaks that level, you sell toward the next support. You understand what I'm saying, guys? The market moves level to level to level to level. Okay, and then if it does the opposite, and then it goes up and breaks that trend line up here, uh, your entry is actually going to be when it actually breaks that resistance right there. Okay, that resistance right there. So if it breaks that resistance right there, your target is going to be toward the next resistance. Okay, your TP is going to be up here, and then your stop loss, you can either put it behind your previous low, or you can use a 1:1 risk ratio, depending on how you want to take it. Okay, and then very important, guys, once you get into a trade, you always have to manage it. You understand what I'm saying? You always have to manage it. I'm just looking at some of your chats, guys. I'm getting a little chuckle here. Okay, getting a little chuckle. But anyways, I feel like you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Okay, so the gist of everything is we're using support and resistance based off of the daily highs and daily lows, okay, to get the market structure, right? We do that on an H1 chart with the aid of these indicators, right? You saw, guys, how quickly you can do it, how quickly you can understand the market, okay? And then the next thing is you do your trend lines, okay? If it's possible to do your trend lines on the H1, do that. If you can't, then jump down to the 15 minutes so that you can get your trend lines, right? And then after you get your trend lines, you jump down to the 15-minute and you wait for the breakout. Okay, whether it's breaking out to the top, whether it's breaking down to the bottom, you just follow the market. You react to what the market does. Sometimes you even do buy stop, sell stops, whichever one triggers. If the buy stop trigger, you delete the sell stop, follow the buy stop. Okay, very, very easy, very, very easy, very easy. All right, so we together, guys, we together, we together, we together. I feel like we're together. All right, very easy, guys. Very easy, very easy. This is actually one of the easiest ways that you can trade if you want to kill. Like if you don't want to spend too much time looking at the charts, okay? Because literally, guys, you can literally do this and then get ready, okay? And this is actually Japan 225. So this is what we're gonna trade later, guys. So we already know what's going on. You see what I'm saying, guys? You already know. You already know. This is what we're gonna look at 1 a.m. When this market opens at 1 a.m., that's actually what we're going to jump into. Okay? It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, guys, we almost done. Okay, we're actually done, right? But I can now, it's the slot for questions, guys. If you have questions, just go ahead. I want to answer a few questions. Not too many, guys. Come on, you know. It's been a long day. It's been a long day, guys. Give me your questions right now. I'm ready. I'm ready for YouTube. Get ready with your questions. I'm going to answer a few questions real quick, you know. Just go ahead. Just go ahead. Just go ahead. Just go ahead. Okay, here's one. Precious. 1, 2, 3. Precious is like, when can you do a live real trade so we can see it in action? I already did that. You know, just come into the lives at 1 a.m. Let's do it. 1 a.m. Let's do it. Okay. I don't know if YouTube is still on, guys, because I feel like, but my streaming. Let me check my streaming software first, man. Let me see. Okay, it seems that YouTube is still on. I think YouTube is still on. Okay. Yeah, you guys can go ahead and ask your questions. Someone's like, I always get your lives late. Okay. Somebody, mentorship and signals. I don't do signals, guys. I don't have time. I'd rather need the softwares to get the signals yourself, you know? Like if I can teach you how to do this, you know, it's you basically got the power in your own hands. You don't have to wait for me. You understand? That's the ideal situation that I want you to be in. Okay? Is this a free indicator? No, it's not, man. Where can one get such indicators? From me, dude. I'm running a promo which ends Friday. Okay, you can get these indicators for 1,005, guys. Okay, you can get it for 1,005. Next week it's gonna be something else. Okay. All right. Somebody's asking, am I going to be 1 a.m. EST or GMT? GMT +2, South African time. I'm going to use South African time, 1 a.m. South African time. That's when I'm going to be live here on TikTok again. I'm going to be live on TikTok, guys. Okay, I'm not going to be live on YouTube. I'm just going to be live on TikTok like it is right now. We do the analysis. We see what's what. If there's a trade, we take that thing. You know, if we don't get a trade immediately, we'll probably do like pending orders, you know, and then just wait for the market to do what it do. But the nice thing with the Nikki 225, guys, it really this thing is crazy. You know, it's reminding me of, you know, when NAS 100 like came through, when it became popular. Guys, yo, that thing used to move. Okay, so the nice thing with Nikki 225 is that if it's like wanting to move, guys, it moves very nicely. I think I'm gonna fall in love with it. You know. Or maybe I'm just saying that because I'm still feeling the high of the profits I made in the morning. I had a good morning, guys. I had a good morning. I won't lie. Oh yeah, and another thing, guys, I also do one-on-one classes, guys, where I charge per 30 minutes. Like if you want one-on-one training and you want someone to basically like, you know, induct you and basically help you out and things like that, you know, I could do that for you. You know, I charge 200 an hour. Not an hour, my bad, 30 minutes. Okay, so typically my sessions will spend like 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then we can just organize that. Okay, we do it online. We can use AnyDesk, we can use Zoom, you know, whatever it is that you feel comfortable with, we can jump into that. Okay, let me see, guys, if you guys have any other questions. I think we're done with the questions, so that means I laid it down nice, right? We don't have much questions on here. Okay, guys, anyways, I'm gonna see you guys later. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys later. For those of you who came in late and you're not in the Telegram group, we're trying to get to 500 members. Okay, we're trying to get to 500 members so that we can open up a chat room. Okay, so basically, if you want to get in the Telegram group, this dude right here, you see that dude on the top left, click him, go to the profile, click the link, get in the group. All right. What is Nikki 225? Nikki 225 is basically it's a market index on the stock on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Okay, which now it starts moving in the Asian session. You know, because I do realize that there's some people who can't trade London and they can't trade the US. Okay, I've met people like that. Okay, so I'm there now. This is just to give those people an idea that they can actually trade, you know, the Asian session. You can trade Asian session. You know, it's very volatile. Okay, and some of the forex pairs that move in Asian, you know, AUD JPY, anything with a JPY, you know, but not just anything. You know, you don't want to trade things with huge ass spreads. AUD JPY moves very nicely with a nice spread. Okay, it moves very nicely with a nice spread. All right, so you can jump into that. Let me just take a screenshot of this so that I can see what's going on later. All right, so we generally know what's going on. You know, so 1 a.m. guys. Those of you who aren't in the Telegram group, get in the Telegram group, okay? Because there's some sort of gaps within some of you guys' knowledge. Okay, download the ebook with the trend lines. Download the ebook with the basic forex knowledge. Okay. Somebody's tagging me at MabsFX. Here I am. How you doing, my dear? What's up? Talk to me. You tagging me? Talk to me. Talk to me. What's up? Get in the Telegram group, guy. Oh, I didn't see, guys. We almost at 11K likes, guys. We at 11K. You know, let's clap hands for ourselves. We're almost at 11K, guys. Very nice, very nice. But I like how this thing is set up. You know, I really like the breakouts. Right, that's how you catch. That's how you catch the movements, guys. This is how you catch momentum. You know, if you're trying to look for those trades that, like, you know, double your account real quick, this is how you do it. Okay, it's gems, guys. It's gems. It's gems. It's gems. Okay. What's good? What's good? What's good? Oh, we're on 11K. We're on 11K. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, you don't have questions. I'm still on here, guys. I'm still on here for you guys. If you guys need to know something. But anyways, guys, if you guys want to like connect with me and things like that, you can contact me on Telegram. You can even text me here on TikTok, or you can just send me an email. All the details on the link description of the YouTube page, or you can just make it easy, guys. Click on the link in my bio, and then there's somewhere where you can contact me. Okay, just go through all the channels, guys, and then you'll find me. I'm also on Instagram at Mabs_trades, baby. Yeah, we on 12K. We're on 12K. We're on 12K. We're on 12K. Okay, so we're done with the lesson, guys. We're done with today's lesson. Tomorrow we do the map system, the H1, H4 strategy, and then we call it a wrap. Okay. How many pairs do you trade, or what pairs do you trade? So basically, guys, I trade I trade my, okay, this is how I do it. Okay, I want to trade, ideally I want to trade the US session. Okay, the New York session, right? And in the New York session, I've got 6 indices that are on my trading list, right? US 30, excuse me, NAS 100, the G Wagon, which is the G30, G40. We've got UK 100, France 40, and then the Euro Stocks 50. Okay, that's in the US session, right? But then outside of the US session, I want to trade like for instance the Asian session that we're going to be trading. The things that we're going to look at mainly is the JPN 225. It's called Nicki Minaj 225. Okay, we're gonna trade Nicki 225 in the Asian session. We're also going to trade, okay, we're not going to trade this, but we're going to have a look at it. Okay, we're going to look at the Hang Seng 50, and then we're going to look at China 50. These 3 indices move in the Asian session the same way that US 30 and NAS 100 move in the US session. Okay, so that's something else that we can trade even in the early hours. Okay, because people keep asking me, man, like, I'm working these hours, blah blah blah, what trades can I get into? You know, you can get into that market. You know, that's the market you can get into if you're somebody who's like the whole day you're not trading and you want to trade indices. Okay, but if you want to trade the Nikkei 225, the China 50, you have to open up an account with Hugo's Way. Okay, Hugo's Way has those ones. Okay, Hugo's Way, it has those ones. Pepperstones has those ones. IC Markets, if I'm not mistaken, does have it. You know, and then you can jump in the early hours. You know, the demon time. I want to scare some people here. But anyways, that's generally how I do it. Okay, but like on a good day, guys, I'm not gonna cap. I'm not one who needs to trade the Asian session. Okay, I don't need to trade it. I'm doing it for the culture. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, I'm doing it for the culture. Kind reminder of the different sessions link. What is that again? Remind me. Okay. Now I remember now. I'm gonna do that tonight. Just after the stream, I'm gonna do it. Okay? I'm gonna do it. Don't worry. Who's not in the Telegram group, guys? Why aren't we growing the community, guys? Let's grow the community, right? Let's get to 500. We open up a chat right there. Okay, and then we do this thing. We do this trading thing. Let's make our own safe little environment. All right. But hey, if you're full of it, we kick you out. We vote you out, kick you out. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. All right. So who's trading right now? Who's still in the trade? What are you guys trading? YouTube. I'm shutting the stream down on YouTube. You guys can have a good night. I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Okay. I'm gonna holler at you guys later. All right.